What up, man? This is Sledrorodriguez. Welcome back to my channel, man. We finna go get some grub right now. I see it's starting to snow.
We gotta get some grub.
Grub. Hell yeah. Yeah, did I forget my gloves? Yes, I did. Yes, I fucking did. God damn. No, I did. No, I fucking did. Yup. That's what I'm saying. Y'all see this shit starting again.
Hey,
Wolfpack weather. Real wolves. Real niggas out. Only we walking out this type of weather, man. Shit. Who you know that's gonna be walking? Hell no, their ass probably sat inside like, no, I'm not finna walk in this. Shit, for real. Hey, this nigga running around this top, this fucking thing up and shit. See, man, we be out here, man. Blizzy as hell, man. Shit fucking blizzy. Shit fucking blizzy for real, man. See, this shit really blizzy, man. That's what the fuck it is, man. Hella fucking brizzy out here, man. Y'all see this shit, man. Fucking brizzy as shit out here, nigga. Brizzy as hell. Oh, you got a little shorty right there. Huh? Since she was decent? Shit, damn, it's cold, man. Nice, nice stuff. Out here, nigga. Let's see, man. We be fucking cold out here, man. That's Daria? Yeah. Oh, they got Daria right there in the Kusky. Look at this. See, we fucking out here, man. See what the fuck we on.
Come on, go this way.
We be out here, man.
Right, at least. Let's be serious.
What does that say? Yeah, I see, man. We be fucking out here, man. Real nigga shit, man. We be fucking out here, man. I see, man. They do this shit, man. I see, man. They do this shit, man. I see, man. Do this shit. Where we going? Left, right?
Huh?
Left?
Huh?
So we going left?
Nigga, we going to get food right now. What are you talking about? Fucking Hooters tonight. Yeah, we can ask them. Yes, nigga. We going to ask. Yeah.
He said, we gonna ask him.
Hooters, see some titties, baby.
Yeah, y'all hear this shit? Go Hooters, man. Yeah, we going Hooters, see some titties, man. I don't know what the fuck it is, man. Huh? finna go to JJ's. Yeah, finna get some grub right now. You know what it is. Grub time, baby. Grub time. Time to eat, baby. Eating this bitch. You know we starving, baby. Real foot soldiers in this bitch. Foot soldiers. That's what you're seeing right now, man. Foot fucking soldiers in this bitch. That's some foot soldier shit, man. In the street, fuck it. Let's go on the street, man. We're in the street. We're in the street with it, man. Yeah, what the fuck is this? What is this I'm feeling? I don't even understand this feeling, man. It is what it is, man. I don't even feel this shit. What the fuck is this shit? I don't understand this feeling. What the fuck is called? What the fuck is that word, nigga? Look at that. He tried to explain to us. There goes Vite right there. Phone ringing and shit. See, we be fucking out here, man. What happened again? He gonna pick us up? All three of us? Yeah, hell yeah. Huh? He dropped his son off? You said he dropped somebody off?
He dropping Tony off.
He said we chose for. We out here, nigga.
Too far to go to my destination? If I'm not too far from my destination, I'm not extra from nowhere. I ain't gonna lie to you. But if I know you're leaving somewhere and not coming back, I hope you just drop me off. You know?
At least you get through, you know?
Back. You feel me? Go! Tell us that. Go!
He sound like.
I'm mad as fuck. Made her cry. Crack her fucking life like a stupid bitch. Damn, bro. What's she do to you, bro? They thought I was David that time. Hey, put my hand on you. I thought you was David, bro?
What?
They tweet.
What?
I'm so aggressive with you. I don't know. Bitch, do I even care what the fuck you do, bitch? Do I even care? Oh! Don't lie, bro. I seen that shit. You beat that bitch ass like she was a nigga in the street. I was playing. I didn't do that shit. Fuck, I never did that shit. I was just talking shit, y'all. Bro never did that shit. But I ain't gonna lie though. Hit me 4 or 5 times, bitch. I'm gonna crack your other hand.
And that's facts. That's a mama. That's my mama, bro. I know what it is.
And my mama know I don't hit women.
Yeah. Yeah, she raised him better than that.
Oh, my brother, he actually hit my wheels fighting.
Damn. I remember that day.
I was about to fight my brother because we was already fighting, but he actually hit mom. So I really wasn't for real out there, you know? I really got real with him. What's up? You ain't mom, nigga. That shit, you fuck. Yeah, my whole beard.
Oh yeah, it was white. Yeah, I'm gonna be fucked out here. Fuck it. That shit cold as hell, bro. Damn, man. Spencer Taylor and the Highway QC. See what the fuck it is. See what it is. Hey, I see, man. We fucking out here, nigga. Hey, yo, we fucking out here. Yeah, I told you, man, we fucking out here, nigga. Don't think I'm lying. We really be fucking out here, nigga. Oh, we really be out here. Really be fucking out here, nigga. Do this shit, nigga, like I said, nigga, on my phone, nigga. Really do this shit on my mama, nigga.
Popular.
I'll take it. Shit, Pepsi. You got Pepsi?
No Pepsi, Coca-Cola?
Yeah, I'll take a Coca-Cola. I see, nigga, we be fucking out here, nigga. We out here for real, nigga. On my mama, nigga. I see this shit.
Benicio, right? Yeah, you remember that? That's what I was like, remember that? I ain't gonna lie, I didn't smell it until like the smoke came inside. Yeah, my drink just like yours, not that bad. I was like, hell yeah. Dario, we got our food already. Robert's just waiting inside. Smoke without me, nigga? That was smoking without us. Here, buddy.
Here you go with this. Here you go with this. No, bro, no, I don't want that.
Bro, he don't pay attention to shows. That show was actually good. And you know why I know it's good? Because Dario don't like shit, just like y'all two. And he put me on the show.
You did?
Yeah, in 2018.
Whatever, bro. I'm about to try it. I need about a one.
Robert said he cold. Robert said I'm cold. You about to smash. Hell yeah, this shit ain't nothing.
That's on deck, man.
Tomorrow though, I advise no one to go outside unless you want to get hypothermia or frostbite. It's gonna be 1 degree. That means it's gonna be below 0 most of the day. Hey, Fizzle, where you at, bro? You say you coming down, man? Out here getting money goofy niggas. I thought some goofy man with their goofy sisters. I think goofy sisters getting bent. I love this shit, man. All you gotta do is get one. Back in the day, we was always outside, man. No matter what season it was. It could be raining. Only time we not outside, but we outside because we in a car. It was raining. No one wants to get drenched on, but we don't care about the snow.
So we be outside with a fucking umbrella, pick time. Look at your phone.
Oh, damn, that was
I almost forgot this goddamn phone. All right, man, for the end of the video here, man, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite part of the video, man. Tap the notification bell, turn your notifications on, man. If you want to donate my channel, CashApp gonna be in the bottom of the link description. If you want to follow me, IG gonna be in the bottom of the link description. All right, man, stay tuned. We got big things coming up, man. All right, see you guys on the next episode in the day in the life of a coming rapper. Squad.